All right, welcome back everybody. So today we're gonna be doing something a little different. Obviously with the last two videos, I was doing a voiceover, but this time I've got a live mic set up and hopefully I will get some better audio quality. Otherwise, maybe I'll just voice over all of this. But however, let's get started with today's video. So when I threw this door on here to protect the interior, I only put in the one pin. So there's two hinge pins on the inside here, and I was only able to get one in. I was having a little trouble getting it in, and I just threw it on there, and the door's on there. It's protected. But I'm gonna throw the second pin in, hopefully today. That's what I'll be doing. And so the door is more secure, and then we can start working on getting the interior cleaned out. I'm gonna hopefully try to start working on it today, get it cleaned out. It's a little nasty out, weather's not the best, so hopefully my footage comes out clean. So yeah, let's get started with that. Done. So as you can see, both pins are now in place. All right, so now let's get this nasty tarp out of here and see what we got. Oh man, it's tied on. Who did that? Who did that? All right, with that out of there, you can see the seat is not in the best condition. Oh man, it is all torn up. That interior is disgusting. All right, so, well, I guess I'm probably gonna have to get a new seat or get this reupholstered or something, because yeah, that's not the best. But yeah, let's get started on cleaning out this interior. So I figured I'd take this opportunity to voice over this clip of me just vacuuming, because you don't really want to hear a whiny vacuum anyway. So I've been having a lot of issues with the mic I've been using, so the audio for this video is really messy. A lot of different cuts and I was getting audio from different sources, so it's gonna be really messy. I'm gonna try to get this sorted out and make everything better for future videos. But for now, I'll just apologize in advance and say, yeah, I know the audio quality is really messy and inconsistent in this video. All right, you guys, so this is what I'm talking about. So this is a really cool find while I was cleaning out the truck. So this is the original owner's manual for the truck. Now, I mean, it's obviously a little beat up. So obviously I've covered up the personal bits, but as you can see right there, my parents bought this truck January 10th, 1998 with 296 kilometers on it. This truck has always been in my family, and I'm going to keep it that way. Also, another cool find, don't know why this is in the truck, but this is the owner's manual and information from the GMC Suburban that I hit. The one that I got in one of my first accidents in with the truck. So, no idea why that's in here. That Suburban got written off at one point. But, yeah, pretty cool find. I got almost immediately sidetracked when I started to clean out the truck. Plus, working outside is not the best, so I'm hoping to pull the truck into the shop next weekend, and then I can, start working on it for real and get an actual plug-in vacuum. I mean, props to this little Makita vacuum, like it's battery powered and it's doing a fairly decent job, but if I can pull a shop vac and clean out a lot better, it'd be a lot easier than this little thing. But, this thing is really good for what it is. And I can also, start wrenching on it for real and get into the meat and potatoes of this project. So I'm just gonna, throw this together, edit it up, and give you guys a video for this week. And maybe by next week, you'll see me actually start working on this for real. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing.